we know that in this scope of biology, the one of the most important is medical, in which we can join any of the course like MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, BDS. Beside this medical course, we can also join BSc in naturopathy, BSc and AH. BSc and AH means Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. That is, that the course through which we can become the veterinary doctor. After that, BSc, normal BSc, that is Bachelor of Science with Botany, Zoology and Chemistry. BSc Microbiology, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Biochemistry, BSc Biomedical Science, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Genetics, BSc Nursing, Bachelor in Physiotherapy, B Pharma, that is Bachelor in Pharmacy, BSc Allied Health Sciences, BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, BSc Environmental Science, Bachelor in Fishery Science, Bachelor in Medical Technology, BSc Occupational Therapist, BSc Audiology, BSc Speech and Language Pathology, BSc Human Biology, BSc Radiography, BSc Rehabilitation Therapy, BSc Food Technology, BSc Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Botany, BSc Zoology, BSc Anthropology, BSc Home Science, BSc Psychology, Integrated MSc Psychology. Other than these, PCE group students can opt for some other professional streams like journalism, business management, English honors, and fashion designing, hotel management, law, etc. So these are some ways, these are some streams or professional courses which can be joined after 10 plus 2 with biology. But you know that when we are studying the biology, the most important thing is the medical science. The main attraction in this stream is medical science. After passing the 12th class, we can appear for the NEET National Entrance Examination. That is meant for giving admission in MBBS, BDS, and the same merit is used to determine the admission criteria for the other courses like BAMS, BHMS, BUMS. All these are the graduation degree in medical science of different areas. For example, BAMS is the course which is done in medicine with Ayurveda. BHMS for it is homeopath, and we know that BDS is for dental surgery. In this way, we can just join these courses. So these are some areas which can be opted after the 10 plus 2. So this will help you in determining the stream by you. So after that knowing the areas, we have to, I think you should go through the book to find out the interest in that area.